Laro ng lahi, luksong tinik, rules and mechanics. The rules and mechanics of luksong tinik. The objective of the game is for all players in a team to jump over the height of the piled hands of the opposing team. A player must avoid hitting the piled hands with any part of his body or clothing. The two mothers are expected to be high jumpers. The first to jump is decided by the mothers by tossing a sleeper. The mother whose team wins the toss will have the first jump. The other team serves as the taya on base and forms the tinik or thorns with their feet and hands.
So number 1, two players on the base sit facing each other, putting a foot forward and touching the other player's foot. Then, each member of the other team starts jumping over the feet. Number 3, when all members are done jumping over the feet, the players on the base add a hand at a time. The palm and the fingers are opened wide above their feet. The same process is repeated until all the base players have piled their hands over. Number 4. When all the jumpers have successfully jumped over without hitting the hands of the base players, the game repeated with the jumpers leaping over again. Number 5. If the mother's children hit the hands of the base players, it's considered a fault. The mother then jumps for the erring child. Lastly, if the mother fails in making a successful jump, it's time for the base players to take the jump.
That's it for luksong tinik's rules and mechanics.